about in a way that if it was a bully it would have to be.
Yeah, so we've encouraged people to adopt a cautious approach,
Yeah.
and so to apply for a certificate of exemption, at the outset, by adopting that approach, and then in due course, we'll have to consider what.
When the committee was at Battersea, they had some XL bully pups, and they had no compunction in describing these, almost newborn pups as XL bullies. So, in most people's minds, I suspect they'll know what one is, but that you will, I guess, receive some challenges, and also maybe people who are worried that their dog might fall within the definition, they don't become a criminal by not registering it, or other people who are confident their dog doesn't, but then subsequently maybe the police intervene and say it is. I mean, are we clear that we will be able to reassure people who have dogs that don't meet the definition that they're not going to fall foul of the law, basically? Particularly looking at the old-time bulldogs, which was raised with me by a colleague earlier.
If you've got a type of dog that's clearly known by another name because it's a different breed, then that's not an XL bully. And we've had people writing to us saying, I've got a Rottweiler, it meets many of the specifications, is this an XL bully? And the answer is, well, no, it is a Rottweiler, as you've told us. So if it's known to be a different kind of breed, then it's not an XL bully, and it's as sort of simple as that.
Yeah, so you don't think there are people who might sort of think, well, I don't want to fall foul of the law, so I'll register it anyway just to be on the safe side. Is that possibly going to happen?
Normally, I think you would officially sort of type one of these dogs when they're old enough, which might be when they're 18 months old. So if somebody had a younger dog or a puppy and they thought, okay, I'm not entirely sure, such as those puppies you may have seen at Battersea,